Welcome to CodesKing. Today we are going to starting with our Firebase series. In this tutorial, we will connect and create our new project and connect with Firebase. Let's see how we can do it. First of all, create a new project on Android Studio. Select empty activity. Next, and give it a name. So I'm giving the name of Firebase project. Finish. So guys, what is Firebase? It's provide a backend for our applications, not for the applications, also for the websites. So it is an advancement in the Google. So we don't need to hassle for the databases no more. We have a already made backends. We need to use it according to our needs. So let's see how we can do it. Go to the and type firebase.google.com and you have a page like this. Now go to create a project. You have must active internet connection for it, and here we need to add a Firebase project name. I am giving it Firebase project. Accept it and continue. Now here second step, Google Analytics for Firebase project. So we have to continue. Select select your country. Accept the terms, analytics, and create project. Now our project is ready. Continue. Now here we see different things. We will explore it completely in next video. Today we are going to connect it with our application. Now get starting by adding Firebase to your app. Now we have not iOS but we have Android app, and we can also use in web and Unity, that is for game development. For Android, select Android. Now here you need to add your package name. For that we need to go to our Android Studio and we have to find out the package name. So guys, here is a package, semicolon. Now you have to give us, it's optional, you can give it a short name or not. So I am giving it Firedb. Okay guys, next is debugging signing certificate, that is SHA. It is optional, you can add it or not. So we are going to add it. Now we can see how we can get it. Go to Android Studio back, go to Gradle, go to Firebase project, app, task, Android, signing report. And here you will see SHA key. And paste it. Now you need to register app. Okay guys, now we have a second step. Here is a download Google service JSON. That is a JSON file which help us to uniquely identify our project on Firebase. So we need to download it. Save it. Now next step is, if we have to go to the project level and add this file into app folder. Let's see how we can add it. Copy this file, go to Android Studio. From here, Android to change it to project. Now here, app, in app, inside app we need to paste it. Make sure you have the same name which you have downloaded, because I have already downloaded this file, so I need to rename it. And OK. Back to it. Next step. Now we need to add Firebase SDK. For that, copy this file, close it all, get back to the Android, Gradle scripts, and it is project. Okay guys, now go back to the Firebase. Copy this file and add it into the app level Gradle, that is here. After that, it is optional, you can edit or not, you can also edit in further. So next step is sync now. Go back to the Android Studio, sync now. So it's synchronized successfully. Now go back to the Firebase. Next step is, we have to run our app to verify the installations. For that, we need to connect our app. So go back to Android Studio and connect your smartphone with your Android Studio. Now let's run it and wait for the Gradle to be built. Now our application is successfully built. Now it is connected to the Firebase. For the confirmation, we need to, you can also skip this step and wait for the analytic data. Look at it, here we have so many features like cloud for store, authentications, crashlets, performance, cloud messaging, testing. The application is completely connected with the Firebase. Here it's waiting for analytic data. It will be displayed when we use like authentications, databases, then it will, all things will be displayed here. So guys, in next video we will use authentications for it. Thank you for watching.